Here we go. Oh, he's not as good. Okay, can you do it again? Okay, here we go.
Can I see the video?
Very good, Adam.
Can I have the video?
Just a minute, Emma.
Mommy, I want to do again.
Can you get up, buddy?
Oh, I'm falling and I can't get up.
Was that fun, buddy?
Walk. Can I do Rosie? Okay, here we go.
No, not Rosie.
Ring around the rosy, all the posies. Ring around the rosy cell. Fall apart.
No.
Should you do some flying for the cameras?
Yeah.
Adam, I've done you before. We'll do you in a second. Okay, ready? Here we go. One.
And
Release.
Mommy, watch how I swirl.
Okay.
Watch how I swirl.
It's probably best he didn't eat any dinner.
Swirl, Mommy. Watch how I swirl.
Rosie.
Mommy.
Let me see how you twirl. Wow, sweetie.
Can I fly? Can you fly me up? Up with the sky.
Sure. Okay, ready? Emma's turn to fly.
Emma's turn. Come over here with Mommy.
Ready? Adam.
Adam,
Go by Mom.
come here. Come and watch Emma fly. Come and watch Emma fly. Medic! Hey, no pushing me.
Can I see the video yet?
Emma! He's like bicycling in there. Emma, show me. Yeah, show me a cartwheel. Straight arms and straight legs. Show me a handstand. Straight arms. Good job.
Can I see the video?